Okay, so what you need to do firstly is sign up for your Listwire autoresponder, which is here at the bottom of the video that you saw when you joined our Facebook group, and that will be coded to your sponsor. So click that and it will take you to this page, and then you can go to sign up, and then it will ask you for your details. Put in a username. This is my account, so just ignore that. Put in your username, your password, verify your password. There wasn't a referrer because I didn't click a link. So your sponsor's name will be there, which is fine. It isn't at the moment because I didn't want to show anybody's URL, or mine even. Your first name, last name, business name, you can leave that open. You can just leave that blank. Your address, your city, state, zip code, country, phone number, your email address, and verify your email address. And then just click here to create your Listwire account. It is that simple. Really is that simple. And once you have your Listwire account, you will log in. So let me log into mine. And on the left here you will see manage autoresponders, and you also need to update your account details perhaps, but manage autoresponders, and then you want to go to click here to add a new autoresponder, because what you need really is your HTML for your splash page that you're going to set up. And so just give your autoresponder a name. It can be your first name or whatever, or a nickname. Autoresponder description, you can just put list building or something like that. And then allow replication, you can press yes to that. I did on mine, so press yes to that. Like so. That means they can copy your letters and everything. And then create a password for the replication, something like your first name perhaps, something like that. And then click here to create your autoresponder. Once you've done that, go to list settings at the top here. This is all pretty straightforward stuff, so don't worry. Chances are your address might not be here, so put your address in. Let me just get rid of that. And then all you do, make sure your name and your email are in there, and then just press update autoresponder. And then go to the top here and you will see subscription form, so press that, and we are creating what's called a web form now, or an opt-in form. And so go here, click here to add web form, give your web form a name, something like, can be anything, that's just for your reference. Just put your first name there, leave that as it is. Your redirect URL, you can put the Facebook group in if you don't know the Facebook group, which is this. It's from the Facebook group that you've just joined. Just leave that blank, it's not a problem. And then just click next page, don't do anything else, and then you will see content here, and you will need to edit this, so you can just click that. Like so, and then you can say something else like get info here, put it in the middle and then save. Okay, leave those two as they are, and again click that one, and you can put join our Facebook team. middle again, press save, and that's it. And then scroll down, save my form. It probably won't save because I haven't given it a name, but I will just, oh, successfully added. Okay, no name. And what you want now is get code. This is not very difficult at all. Trust me, it's not difficult at all. And this is what we want here. So what you do is highlight it in blue, press Ctrl C, open up a notepad or a WordPad, and just copy that into there so we have it, and then just minimize that. Don't worry guys, this isn't too technical, trust me. Now what we want to do is go to the splash page, build up the splash page and put in our opt-in form that we've just created. Okay, so press register and it will take you to this page. Now all you do now is put in your first name, last name. I'm just going to hopefully country, email address, username, password, and then join Splash Page for free, and it will sell you a confirmation email. And what you should do, I checked my inbox but it wasn't in my inbox, it was in my spam, so make sure you do check your spam and deleted files. You will have a link to click to activate your account, which is that link. And it will take you to this page. You can ignore these. This is a free account, so just log in here, put your username in and your password. That's okay. This is just an account I made up, so just for these training purposes. First go to Splash Pages, and you want to give your splash page a name, so I just put our hood. Can be any name, your first name. Okay, so we need to click here to pick a template for your splash page. So we have the first template here, template number 1. So scroll down to the bottom and upgrade template. Okay, and then back to Splash Pages. So we've got our template. Then we want to alter the main picture. Now there's hundreds of pictures on here. This one. Press the button, scroll to the bottom of the page and upgrade picture. Okay, your pictures, and then go back to Splash Pages on the left there. Let's just start. And we want other settings. Now this is where you're going to enter your HTML code for your lead page. Now if you want to have a look at your page, you can view your splash page here. Just open it up and it opens up a new window, and so there's your picture you selected. Pretty bare at the moment, no text or anything. So what you need to do is you can actually leave these, but you don't need to. These meta tags aren't mega important, so you can leave those, but what you need to do is put something here. So this is what you need to put, the text that is in the file that I gave you, and just put those in there, headline text and headline number 2 text, and then your HTML from your notepad, Control A, Control C, minimize it, put that in there, and then you can press update settings, and if you refresh that website at the top there, you'll see that all that writing has come up and your information there with your Listwire link at the bottom. And if you want to put that video on from YouTube, it's not a problem to do. All you need to do is pick up the embedded code in the file that I've given you, press enter a few times, go back up to the top with the cursor, and all you do is just cut and paste that embedded code for the video in there and press update settings again, and that video then will appear on your splash page. So if we refresh that page again, you'll see that video comes up. And there it is there. So that's your splash page done. Not a problem. Takes a few minutes. It's not difficult. All the code's there and everything. If you're wanting to change the colours, you can do. Not a problem. Just here, main background, headline, the text colours, but I'd leave the text in black, but the main background and the header and the footer background you can change, not a problem. Okay? Alright. That's superb. Now you're all set up and ready to go. That's great.